Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever gotten into your car and wondered how on earth your steering wheel got so disgustingly dirty? Well, fear not, because we've got the solution for you! Today, we're talking about steering wheel cleaners, and these are the ones you should definitely try. First up, we have Car Guy's Super Cleaner. This bad boy can tackle even the toughest grime and grease, leaving your steering wheel looking brand new. Plus, it's safe to use on all types of surfaces, so you can clean your dashboard indoors while you're at it. Next up, for all you leather steering wheel enthusiasts, we have Chemical Guy's Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. Not only does it clean your leather, but it also conditions it, leaving it soft and supple to the touch. Plus, it smells amazing! For those of you who are concerned about germs and bacteria, we have Adam's Microban Interior Detailer Cleaner and Conditioner. This powerful cleaner not only cleans your steering wheel, but it also kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria, leaving your car's interior not just clean, but also safe and healthy. Last but not least, we have Sonax 206141 Cleaner. This German-engineered cleaner is specially formulated for automotive use and will leave your steering wheel looking like new. Plus, it's easy to use and dries quickly, so you can get back to driving in no time. So there you have it, folks! These are the steering wheel cleaners you should definitely try. These are the steering wheel cleaners you should definitely try. Give them a shot and say goodbye to dirty, greasy steering wheels forever!